Is it worth learning to code when there's such advancement in AI? Yeah, AI still can't drive a car. It's getting there, but still can't do it. And coding is like 10,000 times more complex. I think we'll be good for a little while. Do you think AI will take over the field in the near future? Not for a long, long time. Before AI takes out coding, many other professions will be taken out. When you see accountants no longer have jobs, and lawyers no longer have jobs, and bookkeepers no longer have jobs, and so many other professions, then you can start looking at coding maybe. But coding's very complex. You gave me the encouragement to get much deeper into web development, and for that alone, I always appreciate you. No problem, Greer. I appreciate you letting me know that I do this because I really enjoy this, and I enjoy hearing back from students of mine and former students of mine. Matthew says I. He's affirming his identity. Kim Jong-un. Do you think that ML AI is an overhyped field? I don't think it's overhyped. I think it's still early stages in terms of what it's going to do. But it's very important. Like I even see with my camera, like the camera is able to autofocus like this. This was 5 years ago. This was very difficult. And it's doing it through AI. So, I think it's a great helper technology. Everyone wants a senior full stack remote. That's true. That's true. And everyone wants to date a supermodel too. Every interview I take asks for the kitchen sink and expects you to build full prod apps in weeks or months. Well, they're inexperienced.